Hi everyone! My project Break-Even Point in Sales will help you to calculate how many more sales you need in order to break even. Normally, this will be very helpful in accounting and financial field. Alright, let's get started. Alright, enter your current sales in units. Let's say 12,345 units. Fixed cost 100,000. Selling price $12. Variable cost $2. There you go. You break even at 10,000. You're profiting on 2,345 units. Let's try again. This time, let's save 8,000 units in current sales. And everything else the same, 100,000, $12, and $2. This time you need 2,000 more to break even. Alright, let's try again. This time, let's say 10,000 units in current sales. And everything else the same, 100,000, $12, and $2 variable cost. Congrats, you broken even. That's it. This program again is to help you calculate how many more you have to sell to break even. I hope it's helpful and thank you again for watching. Bye.